Hi, this is Andrew Restivo with Simply Brands and SCP. We're here at ISE 2026 introducing our Pro Series, Installer Series, and Standard Series CAT cables. What's the difference between all of these cables? Our Pro Series is made for the professionals that have a higher copper content, higher bandwidth, and a higher PoE performance. So you can see all the different applications where you need that higher performance cable. Installer Series is for the typical installation where you need enhanced performance, PoE support at a mid price point level. And then our Standard Series is our introductory series for Cat 6, Cat 5e that gives standards performance but at an economical price point.